Welcome to the part 2 of silent letter words. Silent D. Badge, edge, handkerchief, handsome, hedge, sandwich, wedge, Wednesday. Now let's move on to silent E. Age, breathe, bridge, change, clothes, hate, like, love, please, vegetable. Next, let's move on to silent G. Align, assign, benign, campaign, champagne, cologne, consign, design, feign, foreign, gnome, rain, resign, sign. Now let's move on to silent H. Ache, anchor, archaeology, architect, chaos, character, charisma, chemical, chlorine, choir, chord, choreograph, chrome, echo, ghost, honest, hour, mechanic, monarchy, psychic, rhythm, scheme, school, tech, what, when, where, whether, which, while, white, why. Subscribe for part 3.